got another one.
Welcome to my city, yeah, where the streets paved the gold and the lights never low, no, the lights never low. Welcome to my city, yeah, we ain't never gonna lag when our king comes back, yeah, our king coming back. Welcome to my city, yeah, where the streets paved the gold and the lights never low, no, the lights never low. Welcome to my city, yeah, we ain't never gonna lag when our king comes back, yeah, our king coming back. I know that it's stressful, knowing that our land is full of devils. Slaving for these nations, yeah, that's stressful. But all that's gonna change when you're walking through those gates, Lord's will. Other nations ain't allowed in here. You can look, but they never will be found in here. You a coon if you trippin', man, these words so clear. If your name ain't in the book, then you ain't found round here. In my chair, yeah, I be whippin', ain't no curve. I'ma pull up to my city, won't hear no skirt. In this kingdom, only 12 tribes gonna rule. If you trippin' bout that, brother, you can get the blues. Welcome to my city, yeah, where the streets paved the gold and the lights never low, no, the lights never low. Welcome to my city, yeah, we ain't